Children, in today's class, let us learn a lesson called as Ways of Learning. This is supplementary lesson 1, Ways of Learning. Children, we all know the story of Ramayana and Mahabharata, the two great epics, isn't it? So today we are going to learn a small story from Mahabharata written by sage Vedavyasa. Okay, so focus on the words as I read. So this is a small story based on an event from the Mahabharata, the epic by sage Vedavyasa. Guru Dronacharya was the preceptor for the Kuru princes. The Pandavas were the sons of Pandu and Kauravas sons of Dhritarashtra. He, along with another learned man, Kripacharya, was teaching various branches of knowledge to the Kuru cousins, along with many others who had joined the Gurukula at Hastinapura, the capital of Kuru dynasty. One important subject of learning for the princes was archery, as a part of military service that the princes of those days had to learn. Children, Guru Dronacharya, he was a preceptor. Preceptor means teacher or instructor for Kaurava and Pandava princes. So he, along with Kripacharya, were teaching various aspects of knowledge to Kauravas and Pandavas in Gurukula. Children, Gurukula was a type of spiritual education system in ancient India with Shishya or the students living near or with a spiritual guru in the same house. So the Kauravas and Pandavas were learning in Gurukula. And Kripacharya refers to the great Acharya or the teacher. Kripa became Acharya, the teacher of all children, gaining his name as Kripacharya. So the Gurukula was at Hastinapura, which was the capital of Kuru dynasty. So they learnt archery. Now archery is the art, sport or practice or skill of using a bow to shoot arrows. Okay, so they learnt archery, which the princes of those times learnt.
Guru Dronacharya wanted to test his students. He wanted to test their skills in archery. So what did he do? One day, Dronacharya ordered his disciples, means his students, to assemble in a large open ground in front of the Hastinapura palace. All of them assembled there. Now children, let's see how Guru Dronacharya tests his students.
Characters: Dronacharya, the teacher of the Pandavas and the Kauravas; Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahdev, the Pandava princes. In a forest among the fruit trees, Dronacharya, the teacher of the Pandava and Kaurava princes, is talking to the young Pandava princes. The young Pandavas have their bows and arrows with them.
I have taught you to use weapons, to shoot with the bow, to ride horses, and to drive them, to work hard and to fight well.
Guruji, you have taught me to use a club too. I can fight with any man now.
I'm sure you can. Each one of you can fight with any man.
Sir, won't you teach us any more?
I will. Don't be sad, my boy. Today I want to give you a test.
Is it a difficult test, Guruji?
No, it isn't difficult. It's easy.
Then all of us will pass.
I don't know that, but I'll test all of you.
What is the test, Guruji?
There is a bird in that tree. You have to shoot it in the right eye. Can you do it?
Yes, we can, Guruji.
Very well. Yudhishthir, get ready. What are you going to do?
I am going to shoot the bird, Guruji.
What do you see?
Guruji, I see you. I see my brothers. I see those trees and I see the bird in that tree.
Thank you. You can't shoot the bird. Don't try. Bhim, it is your turn now. put the arrow on your bow.
I am ready, Guruji.
What do you see?
I see a tree, the blue sky behind it, and a bird on one of the branches of the tree.
Thank you. Don't shoot. Nakul, get ready.
I am ready. Shall I shoot, Guruji?
No, not yet. First, answer my question. What do you see in front of you?
Guruji, I see my bow with an arrow on it, a tree.
Thank you. You will not be able to shoot the bird, Nakul. Now, Sahdev, put an arrow on your bow and get ready to shoot the bird.
I am ready, Guruji.
What do you see, Sahdev?
I too can see the bird, Guruji, and the trees.
You too have failed the test, Sahdev. Arjun, it is your turn now. Tell me, what do you see?
I see only the bird's right eye.
Can you see anything else?
No, I can't. I see only the bird's right eye.
What color is the bird?
I can't say. I can't see the bird's body.
Very good, Arjun. Shoot! Learn to see the mark. If we have our eyes fixed on the mark, we will be successful. You all failed my test because you saw more things than the mark itself.
Arjun shoots the bird in the right eye. Dronacharya and Arjun's brothers clap.
On another occasion, Drona was washing his feet on the side of a stream. A crocodile grabbed his foot. Though he could ward it off easily, Drona, pretending panic, shouted loudly, "Boys, I am in danger. A crocodile has caught hold of my foot. Please help me, save me." Drona, being very strong a teacher, he could have easily get rid of the crocodile. But what did he do? He was just acting. He called his students to see who will come and help him. So what did the boys do? The boys, who were standing a bit away from the bank of the stream, were awestruck and confused. They didn't know what to do. They didn't know what they were supposed to do, or they were just confused. But what did Arjun do? But the brave and ever-ready Arjun responded quickly. What did he do? Immediately, he set an arrow on his bow, shot it into the stream, aiming at the right point. It infused the crocodile and drove it away, but it did not hit the Guru's foot. Such was Arjuna's skill. So, Arjuna was very good in his archery. He had a good skill in archery. He aimed at the crocodile at the correct point and he saved his Guru. Such was Arjuna's skill. The Acharya said, "Boys, look at Arjuna's feat. His dexterity, prompt and proper responsive action are other keys to achieve the goal and the success."
ಸೊ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಅವರು ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅರ್ಜುನನ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವನ ಧೈರ್ಯ, ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ತಯಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ, ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅವನಿಂದ ಕಲೀರಿ. ಅದು ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಪಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಲೆಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಲೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ.